Where's that? Now I lost it.
I know, I gotta distract you. That's what it's all about.
Lost it.
It's all about distractions.
Yeah. Alright. It's all about the stuff.
Now you're focused on it, you're killing it. You're doing it about 1 minute, but you're distracted.
3 minutes. The most. Actually, timing mo ang tawa.
It's all on video, Gunny.
He got you, Gotti.
I got you.
No pressure, he got you, Gotti. Uh-oh.
No pressure.
You're almost there, you're almost there. You got 2 moves to go.
No.
2 moves from Ben
It'll
finish.
take a while.
No, wow.
You messed it up real good.